Hello students. Today we are discussing about the poem Lakshman written by the poetess Toru Dutt. In previous three videos we have discussed that Ram Lord Ram has gone into the forest in order to get the golden deer which Sita wants to possess. Suddenly he hears some cries of pain. She thinks these to be of Lord Ram. She urges Lakshman to rush to Ram's rescue, but he is not willing to leave her unprotected. When Sita imputes motives to his refusal to go, poor Lakshman has no option but to go. Here with an arrow, lo, I trace a magic circle ere I leave. No evil thing within this space may come to harm thee or to grieve. Before leaving Sita without any protection, Lakshman draws a magical circle. No evil will come to harm Sita. This Lakshman Rekha cannot be crossed by anybody, and thus Sita will remain safe and secure. Step not for aught across the line, whatever thou mayest see or hear, so shalt thou walk the wed design of every enemy I fear. Lakshman instructs Sita not to cross this line for anything or any person, whatever she may see or hear. Thus, she will be safe from any harmful plan or evil design of human of every enemy. And now, farewell. What thou hast said, though it has broken quite my heart, so that I wish I were dead. I would before, O Queen, be part. Lakshman bids farewell to Sita. He says that the harsh words of Sita have broken his heart so much so that he wishes he were dead. However, before going away, he forgives Sita. Freely forgive, for well I know that grief and fear have made thee wild. We part as friends, is it not so? And speaking thus, he sadly smiled. He knows that whatever harsh words she used or what anger Sita expressed were because of her grief and fear. She became excited and violent because she thought that the wild cries were of her husband, Lord Ram. Lakshman says that he begs leaves of Sita as a friend. Having said so, he gives a sad smile. And oh, ye Sylvan gods that dwell among these dim and sombre shades, whose voices in the breezes swell and blend with the noises of cascades. Lakshman now leaves Sita all alone, although he has drawn a magical circle with his arrow. When he goes away, he makes an appeal to the gods of woods to keep a watch over Sita. The gods of the forest live in the dark regions of forest, and their voices rise with the gentle winds and mix with the noises of waterfalls. Watch over Sita, whom alone I leave, and keep her safe from harm till we return unto our own. I, my brother Armin, are. Since Lakshman is leaving Sita all alone, he requests the gods of forest to save her from all possible harms till Ram and he return together. For though ill omens round us rise and frighten her dear heart, I feel that he is safe beneath the skies. His equal is not, and his heel. Lakshman unwillingly goes in search of Lord Ram. He says that although evil omens surrounded them and filled Sita's heart with fear, yet he feels sure that Lord Ram is quite safe. There is nobody on this earth and under the sun who can prove himself to be a match to Lord Ram. Shall tread all adversaries down, whoever they may chance to be. Farewell, O Sita, blessings crown, and peace for ever rest with thee. Ram is so far powerful that he can crush all his enemies under his feet, whosoever the many enemies may be. Once again, Lakshman bids farewell to Sita and invokes the gods to crown head with blessings and grant her peace of mind for all time to come. He said and straight his weapons took, his bow and arrows pointed keen. Kind, nay, indulgent was his look, no trace of anger there was seen. कितने वीडियो बन गए? Lakshman goes after Ram in order to look for him. He does not most unwillingly because he does not like to leave Sita behind Sita without any protection. He invokes the gods of the woods to protect Sita from all harm. He invokes the gods to shower all blessings on Sita. Lakshman is sure that Lord Ram is alive and no harm can ever come to him. Only a sorrow dark that seemed to deepen his resolve to dare all dangers. Horace the vulture screamed as out he strode with dauntless air. Then he takes forth with his weapons, his bow and sharp pointed arrows. He looks at Sita kindly and gratifyingly. Sita Lakshman is not at all angry but has only dark sorrow. He is determined to face all dangers. Lakshman starts to walk with long steps fearlessly. Just at that time, a vulture gives a harsh scream, which is an ill omen. So, this is the poem Lakshman by Toru Dutt, in which in this poem Toru Dutt tells us how Lakshman leaves Sita unprotected. He is not angry but sorrowful. He is prepared to face all dangers. The final stanza is not a part of dialogue between Lakshman and Sita. The scream of a vulture is considered an ill omen. So I hope you will understand this poem. Thank you so much.